Alright, hello everyone. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial about game character modeling pipeline. I personally think it is the worst tutorial on the internet and I'm a very bad tutor. But if you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave your question in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer your questions. Now, I will go ahead and implement my game mechanics, and it will be a ton of work. So hopefully it will be ready to play in 2 years or so, I think. Anyway, I'm not gonna upload any game tutorials unless if somebody demanded the tutorial. I will happily upload the tutorial. Alright, so I will do my best to upload videos on YouTube every week or so. And my channel is a variety channel, so with that being said, I will upload lots of stuff. So something game related, things about me, how I am living while developing a 3D game. I personally like 2D games, but 3D games are nice. So, but they are too difficult to for one person to develop. But I will do my best. I think I'm a work monster. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Take care of yourself and have fun. This is Mano signing out. Peace.